Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amber and this is About That Mama Life. On my channel we do recipes like the one we're going to be doing tonight, how to make homemade enchilada sauce. I do beauty tutorials and skincare, DIY, and mama life content. So if you're interested in this type of stuff, then consider subscribing. Let's get into the video. Okay, welcome back to my kitchen. Let's get cooking. Okay, for ingredients we're going to need butter, flour, some chicken broth, vegetable broth, or water, and our spices. We're going to be using chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cumin, and some salt and pepper. I'm going to make it in a pot and I'm going to mix all my spices in a bowl. I normally don't measure, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to measure it out for you guys. Okay, we're going to do 3 tablespoons of chili powder. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half of a tablespoon of onion powder, 1/4 of a tablespoon of paprika, 1/4 of a tablespoon of cumin, and then some salt and pepper. To taste, I use a grinder with pink Himalayan salt, and I usually do about 8 to 10 grinds of salt and about the same of pepper. Mix that all together and set that to the side. Heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter to that and let it melt down. Once your butter's melted down, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of flour, sprinkle that on, and you're going to take a whisk, and you're going to whisk that together and make a roux. It's okay for it to be runny because we're going to add our spice mixture in there. We're going to mix everything together, and we're going to let it cook down so that the flour and the spices can cook, and the flour won't be bitter and you won't have bitter spice taste to your enchilada sauce. And this will make just a crumbly mixture. Just kind of mix it around, and we're going to let that cook on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, once you've let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring it every 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to start to smell the spices be really, really fragrant. And we're going to add our broth. Now, I didn't have enough broth, so I'm going to go ahead and add the rest water. And you want to add a total of 3 cups. The benefits of using broth over plain water is that you'll have a nice, thicker, richer tasting enchilada sauce. But if all you have is water, it will definitely do it. You're going to mix that all together and then bring it to a boil and let it boil until it thickens for about 5 to 10 minutes. And once it has come to the right thickness to where it looks like a good enchilada sauce, then turn it off and let it cool for about 5 minutes, and it will thicken just slightly as it cools. And when your enchilada sauce is done, use it in your favorite recipes. I'm using mine tonight to make Mexican pizzas. your sauce cools, you can store it. I like to put mine in a mason jar, and I keep it in the fridge for a couple of days. So that was it. It's super simple and easy, and trust me, once you make your own enchilada sauce, you're not going to want to buy that canned stuff again. It is so easy and it's so delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video and cooking with me today. Again, if you like this kind of stuff, then consider subscribing to my channel. It definitely helps support all the hard work I put into making these videos. Check out one of my other recipes here, and you can subscribe here. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon.